Welcome you back again to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert one currency to other currency. Remember that this video is for educational purposes, therefore do your research about anything that is being said here. For that said, let's get started. So as you can see from here, all that I want you to do is to log into your Binance account. And once you have logged into your Binance account, now as you can see at the very top, as you can see from here, once you log into your dashboard or to your Binance account, you have to go ahead and click on asset from below. So you can see, just tap on asset and you're going to see all the currencies that you have available in there. Over here you can see I have USDT, I have Polygon, and I have TRS over there. And you can see at the very top, you can see we have overview, we have sport, and we have funding. Now what's the difference between sport and then funding? You go in for sports whenever you want to trade from one currency to another currency. For example, if you want to make payment to a particular platform, you have to keep your money in where the money should be kept under sport wallet in order to make the transaction. And if you want to withdraw from the platform, or if you want to withdraw the money that you have actually accumulated from elsewhere, then you'll be able to withdraw that from Binance via funding. So that's what you need to know about here. So now what we're going to do now is you're going to click on trade. We're going to click on sport, and once you click on sport, you can see that currently the only currency that is currently available here is what? USDT, and I have an amount of what? $10 in here. So I'm going to show you how I can convert, or I'm going to convert $5 from USDT to a different currency, and I want to convert it to a currency called TRS. So how do we do that? So in order to convert this $5 from this USDT to a different currency, then you make sure that you leave it as it is. Then from below you go ahead and tap on trade, and once you click on trade, you can see already I have USDT set. So you can see it's already set to USDT, so you have to make sure that you leave it to USDT. So that one is the coin that you want to transfer elsewhere is what you have to select first. So I have selected USDT, and that's what I want, and I want to transfer, or I want to convert $5 out of it. So I'm transferring $5 into my TRS wallet. So then we choose TRS from the two. You can really search for it right here. Just type in search and then you type TRS, and then it appears for you, and then you select it. So just looking for it. So you can still scroll through if you can find it there. So you can see here is it. Okay, so here is it. They popped up. So we click on TRS, and I can see that I have selected from what? USDT to TRS. And when I convert 5 TRS to $5 to TRS, I'm going to be getting what? 18.76 cents. So that's basically what you're going to get in TRS. And then you can see the conversion from below. 1 TRS is equivalent to 0.266 cents. So that's basically how you do the conversion. So if all I need to do is to click on preview, and once you click on preview, you get a prompt. As you can see from here, it says this is what we want to do. We just have to click on confirm from here. Just tap on confirm, and in no time $5 will be converted for me. As you can see, it says that it has been converted successfully, and that is the amount in there. It was very faster and instant. So now I can go back, and then you can see that now I have, let's go back, click on asset once again, and now you can see that I have now what? $5 for my USDT, and then I now also have what? $5 for TRS, which is what? 18.76 cents. So that's basically what it is. If you want to convert it back again, just click on trade once again. Same thing this time around. You have to make sure that you start from TRS. So you select TRS first, and then the second option you go in for USDT, and then you click on max. Once you click on max, the entire amount that you're about to transfer will be available. Then you just have to click on preview, and once you click on preview, you just go ahead and then you wait to see continue, and then you confirm right in here, and that is how simple you can convert. So let's click on confirm, and then in no time, so it failed. So refresh again, then you click on confirm, and then you can see it was done successfully. You can see that previously it was 5 points, so the price has actually gone down as at the time I was converting. So That is basically how you can see is being done. So that is how simple you can convert from one currency to another currency. All that you do is to click on asset after logging into your dashboard. Then you go ahead and then you check the currency what you want to work with, and then you go ahead and tap on trade from below, and then you choose the currency from the currency you want to convert to the currency you want it to be in. After you're done, you click on preview and then you confirm transaction, and in no time it will be available for you. Then you can decide to do whatever you want to do with the converted amount. So that's basically how you can convert one currency to another currency. Don't forget also to like and subscribe, and then hit on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be first to get notified. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be available to attend to you. Until then, see you in the next video.